Setting a YouTube video to unlisted offers several specific benefits, especially when you want controlled access without going fully public or entirely private. Video unlisted, it won't appear in search results, your channel, or recommendations. Please like, share, and subscribe. And first you need to log into your account. Then click on your channel logo. Then go to YouTube Studio. So you see your dashboard, then here click on Content. So channel content videos. So you see the visibility here. So I want to change this visibility as unlisted. Just click on Unlisted and click on Save. You can do the same thing and go to Video Details section. I will show you that one change this one be public. It's already published and click on this video. And here you see the visibility option, go to Unlisted. Click on Done and save it. Changes saved. This video is unlisted. Click on the video. So you see it's unlisted right now and click on Edit Video. So if you want to go back, make it a public. Done and save. So if you like this video content, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.